Okay. Welcome to 5C, the home of the Hornets. We love the Hornets!
We're busy now. We're even busier in the spring. We're gonna hatch chicks. We're gonna go to the river again, and we're gonna graduate.
We're going to go to Ellis Island and in New York, and I don't know why, but I think it's going to be fun.
In 5th grade, we also study the estuary and science, and we'll be going there in October. And each of us is going to learn about one estuary animal, such as razor clams, mussels, clams, periwinkle snails, and other creatures that live there. And also there's many plants that we learn about, such as dusty miller, goldenrod, and the beach pea.
All right.
In Mrs. Chandler's class, we have we have fish, and there are 2 different kinds. We have goldfish and tetrafish. We're going to also get another tank with estuary animals in it.
In our class, we've got fruit.
That's not the best.
To get points to get extra recesses. And we've already gotten 2, 3, I forget, but these days we haven't been as good about it because we've been talking more, because at the beginning we were more shy-ish, kind of. And, now we're a lot worse about it because we're not good anymore.
Trying to get the class of the month for the whole year round so we could get the trophy just like Mrs. Chandler's class has for a couple of years now. And what our goal is in gym is we're trying to sneak in without Mrs. Atkins, our gym teacher, knowing.
We get to sit wherever we want at lunch, and the other grades don't. And the PTA made a painting on the wall, so now our cafeteria looks like a restaurant, and they play music all the time.
High School Music mostly.
There you go. Open house.
In 5th grade, we do EPALs, and they live in Australia. And every month, we write letters to each other.
Great.
In 5th grade, there are some special things. We got to start off first doing the weather. I'm done.
Good morning. Today is Friday, September 20th, 2002. Currently, the temperature is 69 degrees Fahrenheit, and the temperature is rising.
And now a commercial message.
Hi, I'm Betty Crocker, and here at Mill Hill School there's a baseball league for box tops. Here in 5C they are the Cubs. Each team has to collect box tops, and there are 2 teams that play against each other, and whoever brings in the most box top wins. So here's some box tops that you can bring in: cake mixes, cookies, cereal, and tacos. you. And now back to your feature presentation.
In 5th grade, we are forming a chorus with Mrs. Schuyling. She tests us by having us sing a song in different pitches so that she can find a pitch that's comfortable for her and comfortable for us.
Okay, we're making a newspaper and everybody's gonna have an article in it.
In 5C, we try to collect points from Scholastic to get a prize, and we're trying to get a TV for 6,000 points.
Next week, we'll start using laptop computers.
In our classroom, we have on the computer a book database, and our whole entire class has to read 100 books all together, and then once everybody reads 100 books, then they donate books to disadvantaged schools, and we get a no pencil day, which means we don't have to write all day long.
That's right. Very good. Okay.
In social studies, we're studying the states, and each person in our class picks a state, and then we study them, and we do a little report about it, and then we send postcards to the 49 states, and they send letters back to us. Okay, that's all.
In 5C, we earn tickets by reading 15 minutes a night and for doing spelling and cursive and other things. And then we raffle off, well, we put tickets in this basket, and then whoever gets picked gets to have the concrete today.
Well, this year in 5th grade, we have band, and we had our first band lesson today at 8 o'clock this morning.
In 5C, we read the story called Dear Mr. Henshaw, and there's this little boy, and he writes to his favorite author. And so what we did on this bulletin board was we pretended we were either the author or the little boy, and we wrote to person, like the other person.
Okay, in 5C, we are also making a newspaper.
And
Oh, and by the way, we have a class mascot.
I love the 5C news. It's not like any of those bad newspapers. It has great reports.
In 5C, we are doing math. We're watching a math solving movie, Fizz or Martina, and we have booklets with questions, and we have groups, and each time we get a question right, we get a card, and at the end of the year, what group has most of the cards wins. In art, we are doing Chinese mountain landscapes. We cut out pieces of paper to the shapes of mountains, and then we use pastels to make the colors. We then use tissues and wipe down on the paper so it gives this blend.
At least 20 minutes. Remember, we clips. See how that line is gone now? It blended in right into the pastel that we put down.